Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, asante sana. So on to the main goal of today. We are going to prepare stir-fry vegetables, and as you can see, I have my French beans and carrots. I had pre-boiled, rather I was boiling hot water, and I decided to add them into the hot water and let them stay there for about 2 minutes. Then I'll remove them. So this method is known as blanching. I thought I need to let you know that this water also has salt, so that the salt can infuse into the vegetables. So as I wait for my carrots and French beans to be ready, I'll be chopping my onions. Yeah, this is now 2 minutes later. The reason why I'm not letting them stay in the hot water for a long time is because I need them very crispy for the vegetables, of course, to be enjoyable. Anyway, so we will start to fry our vegetables. So I'll add oil into the sufuria, and of course follow up by adding onions. I'll stir my onions for about 5 seconds. Then I will let my onions cook in the oil for 1 minute. I will add black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, into the mixture. Let the flavors infuse for about a minute. Then I'll be able to add in my vegetables, that is my carrots and my French beans. Stir for 5 seconds. Then I'll be able to add the remaining dark soy sauce that remained on my sauce bowl. Then leave the mixture leave the vegetables to at least infuse the flavor for about 3 minutes. Then your vegetables will be ready. Do not touch that dial so that you may see the final product. All the ingredients that I've been able to use today will be on the description box, together with the quantity used.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So yes, this is how the final product looks like. Thank you so much for staying to this point. I love you guys. Bye.